welcome to my channel. Hi guys, got my YSL advent calendar for Christmas, so let's unbox it. I'm excited. Let's unbox it. Wow, so pretty. I just love it. Let's start with it. Oh my god. Can't wait to see what's in here. Let's open number 1. What's in here? I think it's a cream. Oh, Pure Shots Cleansing Cream. It's cute. I like it. Okay. Let's open number 2. Where are you? Something looks like something big inside. Oh, it's perfume. Ta-da! It's Manifesto. So let's open number 3. So here's number 3. Oh my god, the box is so tight. Oh, it's a lipstick. Let me open and show you guys. So pretty. A YSL lipstick. Oh, the color is red. It's not red. It's maroon. Like it. Good for date night. So it's perfume, black, green. Oh, it's cute. Small but cute. Oh, that's nice. Not bad. I don't know, like this wise or something. My favorite is the baby cat. Still, it's cute. So let's go for number 5. It looks big. Something, I think it's cream or something. Oh, it's a perfumed body bar, Libre. Let's see it. Smells good. Like it. Let's open number 6. Can't find number 6 though. Oh, it's here. Maybe I'm colorblind. Oh, it's a lipstick again. The Slim Collector. It's pretty. Nice. Very slim, sleek. Let's open it. Oh, it's red again. Oh my god, they have given like so many red. Usually I don't wear red, but it's okay. I can give it to my lipstick. Let's go for 7. Okay, that's a lipstick again. Let's see. Love Shine Plumping Lip Oil Gloss. It's an oil gloss. Sorry, it's not lipstick. Oh, it's cute. Cute, cute. My color. It's my color. Like it. Let's go for number 8. Here it is. I think I got another perfume. Oh, it's not a perfume. This is a soap. That's interesting. Like YSL giving out soap. Let me open and show you. Okay. It's cute. It's a black soap. Crazy, right? It smells nice. It's a masculine smell. Come on. Okay, let's go. So this is number 9. Pure Shots, a night reboot serum. So I'll wear these and I'll get glowing skin. It's very pretty. It's nice. It's nice. I like it. Oops. So let's open number 10. Sunscreen? I don't know. A small, tiny one. Anyway, it's cute. Let's open number 11. Here is number 11. Okay. Oh, this is big. This is Montaris. makeup remover. Makeup remover of YSL. That's interesting. Pink one, I like pink, so it's pink for pink earrings. We'll have one in the collection. Let's open number 13. Okay, the box is too big. And what's inside? Small birthday. Okay, this is the one. Liver. Actually, they have to give it such a big box, but it's small. Let's open number 14. Yeah, you're here. Okay, a lipstick again. Okay. Well, don't tell me like they're literally giving me a red again. Okay, something is like matte. Oh, it's red. It's not red, it's something, it's like muddy color. It's cute. I can wear it because I'm wearing a red lipstick, so I put it on my lips. It's nice. At least they gave some nice lipstick. Okay, let's open number 15. Okay. Oh, something big. This is a cushion foundation. It's a cushion foundation. It's small but cute. I like it. So cute. Like I can carry my small bags, mini bags. So I don't need to carry my big compact powder. So it's like that. It's a cushion foundation. It's cute. I like it. Oh, it's cute. Okay. So now let's open number 16. So here we are, number 16. And that's how I'm like, oh, it's lipstick again. So, okay, it's not a lipstick, it's a liquid blush. Okay, cool. I like it. They give me lipstick, they give me a foundation, now they're giving me blush. This is cute. Pink. Okay, I think I should have a picture so you can see the color. Number 17. What's in here? A small, tiny little moisturizer glow. It's an instant hydrating moisturizer. So I think I'll put this in an instant. It's a tiny one, but it's cute. I can keep it in my collection. So now let's open number 18. Oh my god, literally they gave me this perfume again. Small miniature. It's not miniature. It's like some tester. A small one. The same one before. Mon Paris. It's cute. Let's open number 19. Here we are. Okay, there's something packed. Literally, they need to pack just to give this perfume. It's just why. Where is the SL? Let's open number 20. 20. Okay. Literally, such a big box for this black perfume. Before also I got this one. Oh yeah, again a tester. Seriously? Okay, not bad. At least I'm not sad about it. I got a foundation, a lipstick, blush. So let's open 21. It's a lipstick again, and I'm loving it because it is gold. Lipstick. Oh my god. Again, the color is red. What's wrong with it? Anyways, like it's my day to get red lipstick. Now let's open 22 and open 21. Oh my god, again perfume. It's a tester. YSL perfume. I think this is a man one. I've seen this perfume is for men. Blue one is it's for men. I think so. I don't know why I gave it. It's okay. Okay, let's open number 23. This is a hydrate bounce lotion essence in lotion. Okay, your shots, hydrating and comfort. my god, it's red again. Now I am feeling sick of this color. A red one again. Okay, never mind. So, this was my YSL Advent Calendar. Yeah, I think it's worth money because I got a lot of lipstick and then I got perfume, a miniature one, and then I got blush, foundation. So yeah, I think it's worth the money.